Hello everyone, hope you people are doing good. So in this video we are going to see how to attempt prelims question paper. Okay, so basically prelims paper contains 100 questions. Okay, you have 60 minutes. So in this video we will see how to segregate these 60 minutes for 4 subjects. Okay, since we have 4 subjects here, and prelims is only qualifying nature only. Okay, you have to keep this in mind, and you should always target for 150 plus out of 200. Okay, and in prelims always accuracy plays a very important role. Okay, so whatever, I mean, it doesn't matter how many questions you attempted, but what matters is only accuracy. You should, if you, for example, if you attempt 80 questions, okay, your accuracy should be around 90 to 95%. Okay, so it is good if you have accuracy of 100 percentage, but it is generally humans generally do mistakes. Okay, so if you maintain at least 95 percentage accuracy, that will be very good. Okay, so always try to maintain accuracy in prelims. Okay, so now we will see how to do uh, section wise timing. Okay, so this is how I attempt in examination. Okay, this is the sequence I attempt in examination. Okay, you might follow yours if possible, but in my opinion this might be the good one. Okay, so uh, for general awareness I prepare according to the syllabus. Okay, but before the exam itself, I presume that whatever may be the case for general awareness, okay, it should not affect the other 3 subjects. Okay, because the other 3 subjects are carry a good weightage, and if we become perfect in these 3 subjects, we can target at least out of 150 marks. Okay, I would always target for 130 plus. Okay, so that in general awareness, if I got 20 marks, so that will be more than sufficient to qualify for the mains. Okay, so always go for, I mean, always try to get the maximum from these 3 subjects only. Okay, so uh, I used to take only 5 minutes for general awareness. Okay, so for 25 questions you have to do it in 5 minutes. So you have to just quickly see the question in the exam, and you just need to uh, see whether you studied that one or not. If you don't study, skip it, no problem. Okay, so if you study that question already before, I mean, if you know that concept, you can attempt. If you attempt 10 questions also, make sure that you attempted all 10 correct, because you will get 10 marks. Okay, so don't try to put in mind before the exam, like I should attempt at least 20 questions for general awareness, like that. Okay, if you know all the 20 questions, that is good, but if you don't know, don't try to mark the wrong answer, because accuracy plays very important role here. Okay, so if you know 10 questions, just attempt 10 questions only. If you know 12 questions, attempt 12 questions only. Okay, and for some questions you might get you can eliminate 2 options. Okay, and you will left with 2 options. Okay, so those questions you can take a risk. Okay, no problem, you can take a risk, because the chances of getting correct is 50%. Okay, in that case you can take a risk, but uh, you should solve it those 10 questions in 5 minutes. You can justly see all the 25 questions quickly, and whatever you know, just mark the correct answer and go. Okay, you should not stop anywhere. Okay, that is the main thing. You just have a quick glimpse to the question. If you know it, just mark the answer. If you don't know it, skip it. If you want to if you know it but you could not let us say if you know the answer but you could not recall at that time, then do mark for review. Okay, because at the end of the exam, if you have any time, you can do it later. Okay, so maximum you can take 6 minutes. Okay, generally you will take 5 minutes for this section. Okay, now coming to the English section. Okay, English section I used to take 10 minutes for this section. Okay, English is the easiest section and maximum you can take 12 minutes for this section. Okay, and always you will get two parasample questions in English. Okay, so these two parasample questions, always do it at the end only. Do it at the end. So what you need to do is, you just need to all the remaining 23 questions quickly in the 9 to 11 minutes. Okay, and you can do these two parasample questions, definitely will take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, remaining questions will take less time only, but only these questions only will take time in English. Okay, remaining questions can be solved within the stipulated time. Now coming to the reasoning section. Okay, reasoning section you can take maximum, minimum, generally you will take 15 minutes. Okay, maximum you will take 17 minutes. Okay, so again in reasoning, definitely there will be 2 to 3 questions which will be which might be difficult, because in exam you might not get the logic for analogy or those kind of questions. Okay, these 2 to 3 questions you can skip it in first round. Okay, and mark it for the review. Okay, I hope you people are understanding. Okay, these two questions you can leave it and mark it for review. Okay, no problem, and don't stuck anywhere. Okay, that's my sincere suggestion. And for mathematics, generally you will take 25 minutes, but maximum you can take 28 minutes. Okay, not more than this. And again in mathematics, generally according to the latest trend, you will get only 2 to, not 2 to 3, you will get around 17 questions easy. Okay, 5 questions in moderate level. Okay, and remaining 3 questions tough level. So this is according to the latest trend. So what you need to do is, so these 17 questions you should be able to do it in 40 seconds. Each question you should take 40 seconds only. And these 5 questions, moderate questions, you can take up to 1 minute. Okay, and these 3 tough questions, okay, you can take 1.5 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, and always these 3 tough questions, always do it in the last only. Okay, so always make sure that you are not stucking any question, because I found that many people, what they are doing is, they try to solve the question, they stuck at one question and they left over with, they at the end they don't have enough time and they could not solve the remaining questions. But so my sincere suggestion is, always just initially in the first round you just see the question. Okay, if you see that it can be solved very quickly, then only do it, otherwise skip it. Okay, if you see that it might take time, okay, go for the second round and solve it in the second round only. Okay, just use this option, that is mark for review. Okay, this mark for review questions are always you need to do it in the second round only. Okay, so for me, actually, in general awareness, I use it to answer 10 questions, 10 to 12 questions in prelims. Okay, so I use it to get around 20 to 24 marks. Okay, here, so that is fine for me, because I'm not that much good, but whatever I attempt, those questions I use it to get it correct. Okay, and for English, I use it to score around 45 to 47. Okay, and for reasoning, I used to take 15 minutes time. okay, and I used to score around 45 to 47, and for mathematics also I used to score around 45 to 47, okay. So even what so for you also my sincere suggestion is, for English, reasoning and mathematics, okay, you just try to get target of 45 plus marks, so that you can get around 135 marks here, okay. And even if you get less score in general awareness, around 20 marks also, okay, that is fine, because if you get 150 plus, you will definitely be go for you will definitely be in for mains, okay. Again, because prelims is a qualifying nature only, so your marks will not be added in the mains, I mean in the merit list, okay. So uh, at the end, you just have to qualify for the prelims, okay, qualify in the prelims. So I would suggest you to follow this sectional timing, okay. So I think this would be the good uh, good sequence to attempt the exam, okay. If you feel that if you want to do English first and general awareness next, that is also fine, okay. But if you want to attempt general awareness first, some people might face confidence level, I'm low confidence level, because uh, for example, if they attempt 5 to 7 questions, because they know only 5 to 7 questions, they might feel low, and it might affect English, reasoning and mathematics, okay. But if you want to attempt general awareness section, okay, always you should have a presumption that whatever might be the count in general awareness, okay, it doesn't matter for me, I will go with the rest of the 3 sections in a proper manner, okay. That should be you need to convince, okay. So that's what, guys, okay. So this is a quick review of how to attempt prelims question, okay. If you people like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it, okay. You can comment for any suggestions or feedback, okay. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.